Hempz Sweet Jasmine Rose Herbal Body Moisturizer for Women, Moisturizing Body Lotion with 100% pure hemp seed oil, collagen, shea butter. Helps restore and seal in Moisturize with a collagen blend of essential oils, butters, and extracts. Conditions skin for a healthier look and feel, and dramatically hydrates, with pure hemp seed oil. Leaves skin firm and silky smooth thanks to plant-based collagen. Quickly absorbs while deeply hydrating skin. A sensual, rich floral fragrance. Hydrating vegan lotion for dry skin. Top reviews from the United States. This scent is intoxicating. This scent is not overpowering, but it is beyond lovely. Every time I use it, I get comments that I smell amazing, from people I know and from complete strangers. I have zero complaints about the moisturizer qualities either. Lightweight and long-lasting. The price for me is more than I would like to spend, but I haven't found anything else like this, so in the end, it is worth it for me.